मिनिमाइज कर, मिनिमाइज रे, क्लोज नहीं है, कैंसिल कर, मिनिमाइज। हाँ अभी जा पीपीटी में। हाँ अभी उधर जा, आल्ट टैब, उनको ए बोल, स्पीकर ऑन करते रहा, दबा मत, सिर्फ अल्ट, अल्ट टैब नहीं, स्पीकर में जा, स्पीकर में नहीं, स्टूडेंट्स के हाइड कर। मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है हर बार, मैं तुझे करके देती हूँ मुझे। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हेलो, ओके, कैन यू हियर माय वॉइस? Yes, what you are observing on your screen? Yes. What is that lesson number? 3. And which lesson? Fiber to fabric. Okay. So, today let us start with a new lesson, that is fiber to fabric. Alright. Are you able to hear my voice clearly? Yes. So, what do you observe on the screen, students, now? Yes. Yes. You are just looking at the clothes. Very beautiful clothes. Am I right? Yes. Why do we wear these clothes? To protect and to cover our body. Yes, right. So we wear clothes to protect. Just mute your phone, everyone. When I start explaining, mute your phone, please. Otherwise, it will not audible to your friends. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So, see here. Here I have displayed some of beautiful clothes on the screen. Okay. So why we wear these clothes? Just to protect and cover our body. How do we protect ourselves? Like here you can see. We protect our body from heat, cold and rain. Is it visible to you? Heat, cold, rain on your screen? Yes. So we wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, rain and as well as snow also. Right? But in olden days, in ancient period, were the people wearing clothes? Before 500 or 600 or 1000 years before, people used to wear the clothes. Yes, they were covering their body with the help of animal skin, furs or the leaves. Can you see that picture on your screen, students? Okay. Yes. So in ancient times, that clothes were made up of animal skins, furs, leaves, grasses, barks of trees. Even people used to close or they cover their bodies with the help of bones and shells also. Okay. And how they were covering their body, here you can see that picture on your mobile screen, right? Am I clear? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, you all know that food is food, water, they are very needful for our life, isn't it? Without food, without water, you can't live. So, in similar manner, without clothes, nowadays there is no life. So, cloth is also very important for our life. But how these clothes are made up of and how these clothes are made, by what materials these clothes are prepared? Do you have any idea about this? Yes, cotton, wool, animal skin, leathers. Yes, only clothes are, yes, only clothes are prepared, or other things are there. Yes, curtains, bed sheets, dusters, pillow covers. Yes, so there are other things also which are made up of, and they are also prepared with the help of these cotton, furs, or the animal skin. So today let us study about these all concepts. Okay. So next one, here you can see one more picture. During ancient period, people were used to cover their body with the help of leaves, and even with the help of animal skins. Later on, people used to start cover their bodies with the help of clothes, and clothes are prepared by some fibers. Okay. And here next is, there are some types of fabrics, and in this lesson we are going to study that all types of fabrics. So like examples, georgette fabric, linen, rayon, denim, chiffon, cotton, polyester, satin, jute, cotton, wool. These are what? Some kind of, or the types of fabric where nowadays people are using for different purposes. Right? Have you seen such kind of fabric? Have you seen cotton fabric? In summer season, do you wear cotton fabric or polyester fabric? Cotton fabric. Yes. During winter season, which type of fabric you wear? Wool fabric. Very good. Yes. And sometimes you might have saw that some pulses or grains or rices are packed in some packet or the clothes. Which type of cloth it is? No, jute. Have you seen such kind cloth? Which is, yes, jute bag. Have you seen that? Yes, very good. So, for different purpose, for different occasions, different kinds of fabrics are used. Right? So, next is, so what is fiber then? What is this fiber? Let us begin with that fiber. Okay. So fiber is a thin thread of natural or artificial substance, especially one that is used to make cloth or rope. Here, are you able to see the picture of fiber? Yes. So fiber is what? This is called fiber. Fiber is nothing but thin thread like a structure which is made with the help of natural or artificial substances. So in next slide, we are going to study about natural as well as artificial substances. Okay. So fiber is nothing but a very thin thread like a strands. Again, what is meant by strands here? Here you can see very thin like a structure. These are called strands, and with the help of these strands, this fiber is made. Okay, so these fiber is again consist of very thin strands. These are called strands. When we roll on these strands, we will be getting fiber like a structure. Okay, so fiber is called as what here? Thin like a thread, or it is made up of natural or artificial substances. Am I clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you repeat what is the fiber here? Is it visible on your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is anyone, can you repeat that?
A fiber is a thin thread or stable in and that already one body just to make up
Yes, good. Yes, we all wear clothes every day. But have you ever stopped to think how many important moments and everyday experience in your life that are associated with the fabrics? There are some occasions where we used to use these kinds of fabrics, like your childhood blanket, your birthday dresses, your school uniforms, curtains, bedroom bed sheets, fabric plays. These all are what? Varieties of fabrics. And these all fabrics are made with the help of fiber. Okay. Am I clear till here? If I ask what is meant by fiber, are you able to answer that? Okay. Now we will see classification of fibers. Again in fibers, we are going to study the types of fibers, by what the fibers are prepared and which materials are used to make these fibers. So see here, fibers are classified into two types. They are natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Right. Again in natural fibers, we have two types. They are plant fibers or the animal fibers. Okay. Do you get my point? Fibers are classified into two types. They are natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Next is, again natural fiber will be divided into two types, that is plant fibers and animal fibers. Okay, so natural fiber. What is this natural fiber? What is mean by natural fiber? Natural fibers are nothing but they are extracted from plants and animals. Yes. So the fibers which we get from nature, again from nature by where? That is from plants and animals. Such kind of fibers are known as natural fibers. Yes. So in next session, we will be studying in detail about natural fibers. Okay.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
So shall I repeat once again from starting, or is it clear to everyone till here?
I'm clear. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it's clear. It's clear.
Yes, okay.